everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 8th to the 12th of May 2023 on Monday. Luzuko reunites the people who try to have him killed and demand answers within 24 hours. Mpilo can't bring himself to drop Sindiswa, even though he really wants to on Tuesday. Things take a drastic turn for Mpilo. Msimelelo and Zimkita are getting on each other's nerves inside the container. Luzuko lies to his children on Wednesday. Luzuko calls Zimkita's bluff with the bloody result. Mpilo reels as Dumsane start a new life and end a relationship on Thursday. Ntando saves Zimkita's life and makes Luzuko feel guilty. Msimelelo returns home on Friday. Msimelo's past come back to bite him in the worst way. Luzuko finds that making amends for his mistake isn't going to be easy. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.